Hi, good morning. My name is Rhiannon and I am a practicing artist and teaching artist. And instead of coming to your classroom, you get to come to my home studio. We have a short video series for you, and it's 4 videos. We're going to focus on symbolism, and we'll go through the elements of art today. The next video is working on the principles of design. The next day you'll be doing some thumbnail sketches and brainstorming, and then the final day is coming up with your final design and symbol. All right, well, welcome. I'm really glad and happy to do this with you. Most important thing is enjoying the process and understanding that the process is more important than the product here. So I hope you find a little joy in this art activity. All right, let's get started. So today you are using the elements of art to draw the first letters of your name in 6 different styles. You will need a piece of paper, a pencil, and colors of your choice. Crayons and markers also will do. I'm going to switch out my pencil for a pen so you can actually see it. All right, so the first thing you are going to do is orient your page horizontal, wide like a couch. And you are going to sketch in 6 boxes that you will then draw in, lightly sketch in the first letter of your name. My name's Rhiannon, so I will sketch in an R, just lightly doing it, and then I'm going to go back in and add some detail, or stronger stroke rather, more defined. And then what you're going to do is you are going to, as well as draw in your letter, we're going to label each text box with the elements of art. All right, so line, shape, size, value, texture, and color. Okay, I will bring in some nature to inspire us, and let's start out with line. Here we go. And the curves of the helicopter, the maple helicopter, the wispiness and wispy lines of the clematis, the dashed lines, the zigzag and torn edges of the birch bark, and those can inspire us in creating our own lines. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start drawing, and I'll speed up the video, and that'll allow you to create your own shapes or your own lines and do your own drawing. All right, next up is shape. So I brought in, to inspire us, some shapes from nature, an ammonite, that spiral. You've got these rhombus diamonds in this sequoia pine cone, the star of the poppy cap, and you've got a heart leaf. All right, next up is going to be size. And to inspire us, visually are different maple helicopters, and different size gives us a chance to sort of see things in a different way, and that perspective can highlight different shapes and different details. Okay, so next up we have value. So value is going to be a spectrum from light to dark, dark to light. And we can get this effect by using, here I'll put this right there. We can get this effect by using the side of our pencil, and the closer we get to light, the lighter our pencil is touching the paper. Okay, so next up is going to be texture. And texture is one that's super fun. It also is a little tricky, but it gives us a lot of, let's see, illusion, I guess is what I'm getting at. There is texture in this coral, kind of bumpy and pocky, light and feathery here. We've got this acorn and we've got this scale with the cap. And it's kind of bumpy in contrast with the smooth here and sharp. And so we're creating this illusion of something that is three-dimensional that you can touch, and you are translating that onto something that's two-dimensional. So it is pretty powerful if it's used in the right way. All right, here we go. Okay, so last one for today is color. I brought in the Pantone color guide here for some blues and purples, and we can see that there's so many different colors on another spectrum of light to dark just within this one shell. Color is a pretty interesting thing if you dive into that and explore the science behind it. Okay, so we are going to look at primary colors and secondary colors. I'm going to use the primary colors, red, yellow, and blue, as my lettering, and then for the background, I'm going to use the secondary colors. That would be the orange, green, and purple. here we go. Thanks for joining me, and I think you should be really pleased with your letters and using the elements of art in each.